Most people compare money transfer apps without understanding the real difference, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming Cash App and Zelle work the same way. Because in 2026, they are built for completely different types of users and banking systems. In this video, we are breaking down Cash App versus Zelle, and helping you decide which one is actually better for your daily money transfers. Let's start simple. Cash App is a standalone financial app. It lets you send and receive money, store funds, invest, and even access extra features depending on eligibility. It works independently of your bank, which gives you more flexibility. Now compare that with Zelle, which is directly built into most major US banks. It moves money instantly between bank accounts without needing a separate wallet. Now here's where it gets interesting. Both apps are fast, but the way they operate is completely different. Cash App is like a digital wallet. Zelle is like a direct bank transfer system. Let's break it down step by step. First is setup and access. Cash App requires you to create an account, link a debit card or bank, and then manage your balance inside the app. Users like Alex can hold money directly in Cash App and use it whenever needed. Zelle is usually already inside your banking app. Jake doesn't need to download anything extra if his bank supports it. He just sends money directly from his bank account. But here's the problem most people miss. Zelle is extremely fast, but it only works between participating banks. If someone's bank does not support Zelle, the transfer cannot happen. Now let's talk about flexibility. Cash App gives you more features beyond sending money. You can invest, store balance, and sometimes even borrow. It is more like a financial ecosystem. Zelle is purely for sending and receiving money. No wallet, no investing, no extra tools. Now, let's look at speed. Both are fast, but Zelle often wins for true bank-to-bank transfers because the money moves directly between accounts. Cash App is fast too, but it sometimes depends on transfer type or withdrawal method. Now here's where it gets even more important. Security is strong on both platforms, but Zelle transfers are harder to reverse because they go directly between banks. That means mistakes can be more serious if you send money to the wrong person. In a minute, I'll show you a simple way to decide which app you should use based on your daily habits. Now let's simplify everything. If you want a full financial app with extra features and flexibility, Cash App is the better choice. If you want instant bank transfers with no extra steps, Zelle is more efficient. Let's summarize clearly. Cash App is best for flexibility, digital wallet features, and extra financial tools. Zelle is best for direct bank transfers and simple, fast payments. The right choice depends on whether you want a financial app or a banking shortcut. If this helped you understand Cash App versus Zelle, make sure to like the video, comment which one you use, and subscribe for more simple money comparisons.